Are you also seeing any demand from the academic institutions and research institutions from India for machines like yours who are setting up these labs?
No, in this moment of time, I'm getting a lot of demands, requests from European universities because they see that this is a next generation AI. But for the moment, from India, we have not got any request.
Any major success stories that you can share with us from India for our audience to be, oh, they got it, let's us also go it?
So let's say that for India, I can talk about the most important customer that we have right now, that is Kaynes. We have delivered the first machine at Kaynes to let them understand how this machine was working. And it was a little bit more than a prototype. Kaynes helped a lot Delvitech to understand what to develop better. And we were very close to Kaynes to understand and to say, okay, understood, we do this development and so on. So we worked together and we arrived at a point where Kaynes was very satisfied about the technology. And now Kaynes is ordering multiple machines from us for their different plants worldwide. And I must admit that Kaynes has been very helpful to us, and they are still very helpful to us. And we respect them a lot, and we give the best support we can to them. But in parallel, they are buying, and they are very satisfied about this technology.
How do you see the talent situation in India? Do you think there is enough talent to be able to handle the opportunities coming in and also to work in organizations like Delvitech, or is that a challenge?
So, it depends. In my opinion, there are fantastic talents in India. But we also need to consider that there are a lot of talents from India that went abroad that are willing to come back. And that probably it's what India needs right now. A lot of managers who are in different areas in the world with very important skills could come back to help in this ramp-up situation. And I do believe that India will get no trouble at all to ramp up properly, because you are also paying a lot of attention to the university roles, to the institutional roles. So in my opinion, it will be possible to.
Any tie-ups with academic institutions, or are you open to working with academic institutions in India to develop courses and help them develop the curriculum to train the students better?
Absolutely. It would be a lovely situation, you know. At the end of the day, what we look for is help. And the best way to help is to get universities connected. If universities who are preparing engineers, new engineers, would be connected to Delvitech, we could set up together with the universities courses, training, to have people coming out from the university with important cultural base for electronic, but also practical knowledge about the usage of what they studied compared to what is the demand when they go to a factory, to an electronic factory. This would be lovely.
Thank you, Mr. Gatti, for being there on this interview. Thanks for taking your time, right? It's been a pleasure to speak to you, right?
Thank you. And once more, it's a pleasure for me to have this company in India. It's a pleasure for me to be closer to the Indian customers. We will continue to enlarge our facilities here in India and to enlarge our operations, because we have a lot of things, a lot of new things coming. We are enlarging the market, and we want to be successful together with India. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And if you have any questions, feedbacks, or comments about this interview, please post it, and we'll share it with the Delvitech team and have them reply as soon as possible. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.